If you're planning to come to Ottawa and need to get a Presto card to use the O train, in this video I will show you step by step how to get one from a ticket machine here on Travel Tricks. Before we get started, thank you for watching this video. And please subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. The Presto card in Ottawa is used to ride the O train. If you want to get one, I'll show you. The ticket machines for the O train are located at every station. To get started, first you touch the screen and choose English. Now you have three choices: buy fare, where you can buy a single ride ticket, a day pass, or a 2-for-1 day pass, meaning on weekends and statutory holidays, a day pass can be shared by two aged 13 or older for unlimited travel. Next choice is to get a Presto card, and you can add a monthly pass, add money, or buy a new card. Your third choice is to check your balance. We're going to go for the Presto. After you press down, you'll see you can add money to a Presto card or buy a new adult Presto card. Now press on Buy a New Adult Presto Card. On this screen, you can add money to your card or buy a monthly pass. Press Load ePurse. On this screen, you can add funds in multiples of 5 Canadian dollars. I'll choose $5. Now the new balance is $5 and the total is $9 after adding the price of a new Presto card. Now press Continue. And you either pay by Canadian cash or by credit or a Canadian debit card. You could tap your card. I decided to put my card inside the machine instead. I then typed in my PIN number on the payment terminal. Now wait for the machine to confirm payment and deliver our new Presto card. And there you have it, our new Presto card with funds intact. Now you can go on the O train. If you want to learn how to use the O train, how to top up your Presto card from a machine, or how to find the O train from the airport, check these out. And please check out all of my videos and subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.